think one of the things I like best about the jewelry business is actually be able to create something for someone. I have a lot of people that have ideas that can't figure out how to make the ring of their dreams, and that's what we specialize in. Willow Glen Diamond Company sells several designer lines. We carry Tacori, Gelen Abassi, and several different types of other designers as well. We also have an appraisal service. We do appraisals on site. Usually if you make an appointment, you can come in, wait for your appraisal. It takes usually about an hour. Our repairs are usually done in 2 to 3 days. One of the things that's great about the repair work is actually everything's done on the premises. We have some really great jewelers working here, and we have some of the best state-of-the-art equipment available. We use a laser welder on more complicated jobs, but there's very little that we can't fix. We'd love to be able to meet you, and if you'd like to have a piece of jewelry cleaned, we do that anytime at no charge. I hope you can stop by.